Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a background from an image in Microsoft Excel Spreadsheets. But first things first, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications as well. I also have recently made a storefront, and I just wanted to let you guys know that some of the proceeds that come out of this will go to cat shelters around the world. All right, let's get started. So first we're going to insert an image. So we're going to insert pictures, place over cells, this device, go to the location where the image is stored. So we're going to use this image here. And then under picture format, you'll see a remove background. It will give you the pink is going to be what it's removed. We can either keep the changes, discard all changes, keep areas to mark areas to keep, or mark areas to remove. So we're going to do mark areas to keep. And since we want her thumb, we're going to click that, and then her hand, and then her tip of her finger. We're then going to go her shirt. And actually, we're going to discard and do it again. And we're going to mark it. So we're going to do that. Oh, interesting. Okay, just keep going. For some reason, it glitches out or whatever, but I will go back. And then that's it. Her hand is there. Good. We can even mark areas to remove. So we can even just go here. If you really want to fine tune it, you can. Sure. And then her hand over here. And there you go. More or less, this is how I want it. We're going to keep changes, and then that's it. And then you can put her wherever you want. Have her holding a sign. You can edit in a sign or whatever. And that's basically it. Thanks, guys, for watching. How to Tech Tips. Keep teching on.